How to fine-tuning current channel to improve the program feature on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. And menu, go to settings. In settings, go to channel. Here in channel, you can see here the tuner mode. And the tuner mode is set into antenna. So you can change it into cable or antenna. So for example, I set into antenna. And below of this, you can see the ATB fine tuning. And now you can fine tuning current channel to improve the program feature. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to ATB fine tuning. And okay guys, now you can see the adjustment. So you can adjust to the right or left to set the program feature or to improve the program feature. And that's it. Okay, we've successfully fine-tuning current channel to improve the program feature on Devant Smart TV.